In this video, we're going to make Python f-strings feel simple. If you've ever searched Stack Overflow for Python string formatting and felt overwhelmed, this is for you. Let's start with the basic idea. An f-string is just a normal string with a letter F in front and placeholders inside curly braces. For example, name equals Alex, age equals 30. Then you write message equals F, my name is name, and I am age years old. Python replaces what's inside the curly braces with the actual values. No plus signs, no clunky format calls, just one clean string. You're not limited to variables. You can put any expression inside the braces, like F, next year I'll be age plus 1, or F, the sum is 3 plus 4. Now let's look at formatting options. Inside the braces, after a colon, you can give a format spec. For numbers, price equals 12.5. F, price, $price, 0.2F, hash shows 2 decimal places. For alignment, F, name colon by 10, makes the name right aligned in a field of width 10. F, name colon by /10, makes it left aligned. For large numbers, use commas. Total equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F, total, colon, becomes total 1,234,567. You can also format dates. If you have a date time called today, you can write F, today is today, %, %y, %mim, %d. There are a couple of handy extras. Add !R to use the reper of a value, useful for debugging. F, debug, name, !R. In Python 3.8 and above, you can show both the variable name and its value like this. F, age equals. That prints something like age equals 30. Here are a few best practices. Keep expressions inside braces simple. If it's getting long, calculate it in a variable first, then format that variable. Use f-strings instead of % formatting or stir.formatic in new code. They're shorter, clearer, and less error-prone. And remember, the F goes directly before the opening quote. If you need raw strings and f-strings together, write fr.com, not rf.com in older Python versions. So that's the core of f-strings. Put an F in front, use curly braces for values and expressions, and add a colon for formatting details. If you want to turn explanations like this into your own animated videos, head over to vidfactory.ai. You can create clean, educational explainer videos just like this one without needing a whole production team. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting with Python f-strings.